Okay, here we are at Guelph Lake. Hello again for another video. This is going to be my 6th or 7th time flying the drone. It's the DJI Mini 2 SE. I went from my satellites to a kick in on GPS, aircraft and warning zone, airport, fly with caution. Okay, my home point is updated. SD card malfunction. Let me see what that is. Okay, my SD card was my memory card in my drone. It was acting up, so I took it out, put it back in. I got takeoff permitted. I acknowledge that I'm in a warning zone. 16 satellites, not bad. I got good signal on my remote control. So I'm going to do my takeoff. Okay, we get liftoff. That's sweet. My home point is updated. So let's take this bad boy off. My elevation, I'm going to stay around 23 meters. Now I'm going to take some nice photographs of Guelph Lake here. I'm just going to go to photos. Get up to 30 meters. Got my gimbal brought down a bit. Quick shots. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna do my spiral. So I'm just taking some still shots right now of the grass here, the cattails with the lily pads a little bit further, and some logs in the lake. And the gimbal up a little bit. I'm going to get some nice sunset. The horizon with the reflection of the trees. I'm going to gimbal it this way a bit. I want to get... There we go. Now I'm going to bring my zoom back. Just that. I got 15 minutes left on my battery, 2-to-1 satellites, great reception on my controller here. As you can see, you might see my drone up there. It's around 42 meters in height. There was planes flying well overhead. No warnings went off on my radar, so that's always a bonus. So I'm flying in a safe location. I get some beautiful images of a swamp where I usually fish, and I also take up my kayak. Oh, there I am there. I'm at 8.8 meters high, and where I take up my kayak, I usually gather a lot of fishing lures, which is quite nice, but the swamp is very nice. It's beautiful, and yeah, I enjoy coming here, but seeing it from above, it is totally different. I didn't get no video footage yet. I'm just gonna land this sucker for a quick second, just because I want it to be more of a sunset. I want to get the sunset in the video and be more cinematic. So I'm just gonna shut this down for now, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just put it back up. I get 12 minutes left on this battery. I'm gonna video record now and show you this sunset. And what a beautiful sunset it is. I'm gonna go up above the trees. A safe distance, we'll go 35 meters. There we go. See, I get a plane there, my drone, we were out of each other's way, no panicking, and I had no signals or warnings coming up on my screen here. So I feel quite confident and safe in how we respected each other's airspace, and yeah, we're good to go. So now I'm going to do some lower flight footage over the cattails here. And I have it in my line of sight so I don't lose my drone. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey.
Fish jumping tonight?
Not from what I've seen, but it's beautiful. The sunset's beautiful, and yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Could get over. Yeah. It's gorgeous from up there.
When I was a kid, my dad made a 4x8 C3 type thing.
Yeah.
And it was flat and with a round nose. And it's about this deep.
Yeah.
And we put a Mercury 10 horsepower motor on it. And that thing was despair.
Really?
We took it up to Guelph Lake all the time.
Yeah. Yeah, it is fun.
Yeah.
But today's technology, I can't get over it. Like this camera, I can see miles. It is unreal.
That's not a $50 one.
No, no, but still, it's yeah, something else.
That's unreal.
Oh yeah.
Well, have a good night.
You have a good night.